Today we're gonna do Christmas pancake art. Now what ingredient we should have?
Egg, bottle.
Yes?
Eggs and the bottle have food color. Green and pink and blue.
Okay.
And we have the food color, the egg, the milk, and the
What? Pancake powder.
Yeah.
What is this? This one. Oil, right? Yeah, okay. Let's do challenge for our pancake art. Let's do it. Don't worry that. Oh, good job.
Tired? No?
Oh. No, I like it. I need milk. I like it.
It's all yellow, yeah.
But you guys have to leave some so we can create two more color. Yeah, just a little bit. You know how to make a violet?
Blue and yellow.
Now,
Blue and green.
red and blue.
Red and blue. Okay.
Oh, red plus blue will be violet color, purple color. Okay?
I like it. Hey, too much.
Don't worry, don't
Don't
worry.
worry.
No, I want pink. This one will be pink.
Let's make it, let's leave it white, okay? Because we need white color as well.
Let's introduce our new friends.
Hi, what's your name? Hi, what's your name? Dolly. How old are you? 3 or 4 or 5, 7? Huh? 4 years old. How old are you, Ray? 6 years old. How old are you, Finn? 5 years old. Okay. They will join us to do the pancake art, right? You? How old are you? 7. Okay, let's try.
I want to make a reindeer.
Oh, reindeer. Wow, that's really hard. Let's see. If you want Miss Anna to help you, you can ask for help, alright?
What are you making? I need help. Hot.
Okay, you do it. Ray, challenge. Let's do it. What do you want to draw, Ray? Oh, a Christmas cat. Okay. Alright, and then put other colors. Alright.
And here needs a dot. I know. I will do it now.
Whoa.
Then it will be cold.
Oh, awesome, Ray. Is this your first time to do the pancakes? Is it your first time, really? But you seems like you practice a lot of time. That's a really good, nice picture. Oh, well done. Okay, next one, Dolly.
Body.
Look at the snowman.
Oh, snowman. Oh, yeah.
Miss Anna like this.
Oh, I see.
Okay, you want time.
I want the black.
Black? Like yeah.
I don't want the joint.
Later, because take turn.
No.
Ray, your snowman is complete down. Wow. What about you, Finn? You haven't done your pancake art.
I want to make an alien.
Oh, alien. He like alien.
This is the alien eye.
Alien eyes. Go, 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 go.
Miss Anna, wait for me. That's my alien.
This is your alien? I thought you make a UFO. Alien spaceship. I think that's a Earth.
No, me too.
I think this is a Earth.
I think I have purple.
Or this is a planet. Planet, right?
No.
Mars?
Maybe it's a UFO.
UFO.
I don't know what I need making.
Okay. You want to meet alien, talk to an alien?
Yeah.
Make a friend with them? Yes. So you want your daddy to be like an alien?
Yes.
Okay, daddy, can you be an alien? Dun, 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 dun. He only showed his head. Aliens come! Alien! Alien too smart.
Alien too smart.
Too smart.
Maybe some of the aliens are scientists. I don't know.
Our scientists, I think they're better than scientists. Oh, this is Finn's planet.
You want to eat it?
Yeah, let's try. Let's try.
Now we're finished with our pancake. Now I'm gonna show you how to read them.
Okay.
This is a butterfly, and this, what is it?
Dolly, what is that?
Snowman.
Snowman.
This,
Ray?
Christmas tree.
Chris-
And this one, yes, and moon, sock, and star.
And stars. Wow, voila. Can we eat?
Yes.
Then let's try. Okay. Which one flavor is the best? You can choose one. Whoa. Dolly, can you sing a song to other kids? Twinkle little star, I wonder what you are. And do you know what else Christmas song?
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. On my darlings to ride around home and say, hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On my darlings to ride around home and say,
Hey! Okay, give it another try. This is the crescent moon and a star and a sock.
a UFO.
Oh, your UFO. Let's try, okay? Dolly, have you make a wish for Santa Claus?
I want
Yes, what kind of?
Pokemon ball.
Pokemon ball. And what about you, Dolly?
And I want a Pokemon ball and a Pokemon.
Okay.
A real Pokemon ball and a real Pokemon.
Oh, that's so hard. Thanks.
Thank you for watching our cartoon. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
And give the thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And hit the like button and subscribe to our channel right now.
Yes. See you next time. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.